my desires and my thoughts, my sweet longings, and all my cares, my joy, my good, my treasure, and my love, and my worth, and the good promised to me are, Lady, you. For I have kept nothing else in this world that at my greatest need might keep me joyful, except only you, to whom I have surrendered my heart, whom I love and praise and fear and serve and coax. And when I reflect on your pleasing body, gay, gracious, the good things I cannot tell, how courteous it is, and what your honor is, and your high worth, then I ponder and think, so joyful am I, that it has turned out well for me.
With the fair-haired one, since I love you so, and have a heart so desirous, of the noblest body one knows, clothed or naked.
Clothed or naked.
So I am truly a fool if I seek or ask for another. Truly a fool, I said it. And since love made me choose so nobly, out of the same discernment do not wish to make me die. For it is a strange grief and a savage sorrow and heavy lamentation when one loses the years and the months and remains bare of the long-awaited joy, when he knows not whence he may ever have good again. So his great sorrow comes forth from the depths of his heart, for he has lost himself.
This grief I fear,
but elsewhere I send it away.
For I can pledge to you I love you more loyally with suffering than a husband does with enjoyment.
So, noble creature, one of the 100 greatest goods or of the lesser ones, grant that I might have it, for an anguished desire has so conquered me that my heart melts with the envy that slays me and destroys me. For I have no friend to help me in it, except only you. For I pray or send to no other. And so, if I turn toward the good king worthy, abounding in worth of Castile, do not be displeased. For he is taken above emperors and the strongest kings and princes and marquises, the prizes and the gifts, for they are all overcome and lost, just as the sea conceals the names of rivers, all other worth that exists. They're only where his own is mentioned, so I do not fail if I recount and spread it, and may God save him to honor and help him. For he is toward worth just as I wish and require him to be.
I meant every word.